Assalamualaikum and have a good day. We are a student from the class of AG2202E. So for the subject of AGR422, we are given a mini project by Sir Shafiq Sani and the topic was given is about seed propagations. First, let me introduce my team members to this video. The definitions of seed. A seed is an embryonic plant with a protective covering around it. After pollen fertilization and some growth within the mother plant, the ripened ovule produce seeds. The embryo is formed from the zygote and the seed coat is formed from the ovule's integument. How many types of seed? The embryonic plant is contained within the protective outer layer of the seed. The structure is the most easily distinguishable specific genetic component that varies from different seeds. This varies depending on the type of crop but not the variety. They are classified as monocot seeds or dicot seeds based on the presence of cotyledons in the seed.
Before going further, let me share a little bit information of this flower. Zinnias are one of the easiest flowers to grow as they grow quickly and bloom heavily. The scientific name is Zinnia elegans or also known as zinnia. Zinnia belongs to Asteraceae family, also known as the daisy family. Zinnias are annual, so they are grow for one season and produce seeds.
The equipments and materials needed for the seed propagation process are zinnia seeds, hand scoop, rubber hand glove, water spray bottle, planting tray, and last but not least, organic soil as a medium. First of all, using a hand scoop, fill the planting tray with organic soil and put it in the flat. After that, using the zinnia seeds, place one zinnia seeds into each cell of the planting tray. Okay, for the last step, water the seeds using a water spray bottle. And then, lightly cover the seeds in the tray using the organic soil. Finally, water the seeds again to ensure that the seed receives the proper amount of water for growth.
A mango is a stone fruit produced from numerous species of tropical trees belonging to the flower plants genus Mangifera indica. Most of these species are found in nature as white mangoes. The genus belongs to the Chaceae family Anacardiaceae. Mangoes are propagated either vegetatively or by seed. But for the main topic is seeds propagation, so we will show how to propagate by seed. Let's jump to the first.
Let's begin with part 1, checking the preparations, materials and tools.
Firstly, we are need cutter or knife, seed mango, plastic wrap, gloves, tissue wet, hydrogen peroxide mix, purified water.
I'm going to focus on preparations, seed germinations. We have couples of mango here. Now I have removed this from mangoes about a week. After remove all the puff off to see just seed, the key is inside of the hard shells. There are actually a mango seeds inside. So what we want to do is take out the seed, and there are feather part, and the thinner parts here.
So the seed, the most critical part is here. So you want to cut along the edge but stay far away from this part as possible.
Once you open it up, you can see the seed inside.
After take out the seed from the hard shells, there are paper substance on here. You can just peel that off and don't make the seed damage as possible.
On my opinion, as you can see, this seed look little bit unhealthy. It may be like slightly rotten. Does happen sometimes because the mangoes not ripe enough the seed, or the seed not mature enough, or maybe the method that used doesn't work as well. Different with this seed, on my observations, the seed look healthy and doesn't have rotten. Now in this water bottle, I have got 3% hydrogen peroxide. Make sure you use glove when you handle this. And on the container, I have hydrogen peroxide mixed with purified water. I do recommend that you do want to give your seed a small bath to remove any possible spore and plus to damage the bacteria. After done, take the seed on the wet tissue and keep it on the plastic wrap. You can also use other optional to keep it the seed.
Here is our mango seed. It took exactly 2 weeks for it to sprout. Look at the root, there are actually a plumule and radical right there.
So we're going to plant in this pot. We will planting it in now. I'm going to placing that mango seed tray on the top of soils, and I gently place it with plumule facing up to keep this exposed so that way it can sprout. I'm going to cover the rest of the seed and the root with soil because we don't want to expose the root to the light. I'm going to place a clear plastic bag over the pot so this will keep it humid in there and warm because mango is tropical plant, and also will let some light there, so like a miniature greenhouse.
Allow me to conclude this video by expressing my hope that this two-seed propagation method will help you develop your own gardening. If you have any question about our presentations, please do not hesitate to ask us. That's all from us. Thank you for your time, and we hope you can enjoy this video presentation.